How I saved thousands in 1 month. Frugal living for beginners. 1. Join me as I challenge myself to live frugally for 1 full month and show you exactly how I saved thousands. This journey isn't just about cutting costs, it's about taking back control, building habits, and creating peace of mind, even on a tight budget. Whether you're starting out or starting over, these tips are for you. 2. Frugal living doesn't mean living with less joy. It's about being intentional with your money. I started by looking at my daily habits, morning coffees, quick food deliveries, that subscription I hadn't used in months. Once I saw how much these small things were costing me, I realized that mindful changes could lead to big wins. 3. I used to feel like I was running in place. Bills, expenses, and unexpected costs always pulled me back. And I know I'm not alone. So many of us are quietly stressed about money. But here's the truth. You don't need to earn more to start saving. You need a system that works for you right now. 4. That's where budgeting comes in. And no, it doesn't have to be overwhelming. I use the 50-30-20 rule, 50% for essentials, 30% for lifestyle spending, and 20% for savings and debt. Just writing everything down or using a free app gave me a clearer picture and helped me stop overspending in areas I hadn't even noticed. 5. Meal planning was a game changer. I started planning every meal each week, shopping with a list, and cooking more at home. Not only did I save hundreds by skipping last-minute takeout, but I ate healthier and wasted less. I also used cashback apps and looked for store deals, even stacking digital coupons when I could. 6. Then I tackled passive saving. Cashback cards, loyalty rewards, and browser plugins that find discounts. If I was already going to spend money on essentials, why not earn some of it back? These micro savings added up. I saved over £150 this month just through smart shopping. 7. But my favorite strategy was automating my savings. I set up a recurring transfer of £100 every payday into a high-interest savings account. That money is gone before I even see it. You can start with £10 or £20 if you need to. What matters is consistency. That's how your savings grow while you live your life. 8. I also found ways to enjoy life without spending much, hosting potlucks with friends instead of going out, borrowing books instead of buying, using public transport when possible. Being frugal doesn't mean missing out. It means choosing with intention and appreciating what really matters. 9. At the end of the month, I had saved over £1,200 just by making smarter, smaller decisions every day. And I didn't feel deprived. I felt empowered. If you're ready to take on your own frugal challenge, I'd love for you to share your journey in the comments. Let's grow this community together. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next week for more simple, real-life money wins.